Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So let's get started. First of all, let's just go to our Chrome browser. And from here, you need to go to the three dots on the top right side corner. Just tap on that. And from here, as you can see, here is the settings option. Just tap on the settings. Now you need to go to the privacy and security option. All right. After that, you need to go to the security option, and from here you can see safe browsing. It is selected as the standard protection. So what you need to do, if you want to stop Chrome from blocking the downloads, you need to tap on this option called no protection, which is not recommended, but as your want, you need to tap on this option no protection and tap on the turn off, and now you can easily download the things you want, and Google won't stop you at any cost. So that's how you can stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So thank you so much. Have a great day.